Kotoko captain Richmond Lamptey are confirming your man information or the to joining our and the future with Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. It is saying in a recent interview on the Kumasi Asante Kotoko YouTube channel, a grantee and then some more can see A to Z ya bonnet tofa. Now we will deduction. It is saying ne Kotoko no obetina naso beko or can some 43 and all the two. Now the most important one, which is got to do with Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the contract and sense mono or touchy and also one touchy or din komobi regards Kotoko players ye maintain players near the idea, but would the ninja now have made a bro super 24 TV no so subscribe here what man why to the rest subscriber to know about the man so they are building together as gold. I announcement say omuni GF needing come say o mesaba back to Ghana football mo as good no ye demote omuko division 2 and omuko twen man so na GF Vivonga zaneteri amutimu no ya suspending indefinitely cry ya any defense ye guno as good statement or kase omo back no me talk akra bia man sana makọ Richmond Lamptey ensensem no. Now, quick one, let me inform on. Also, there are stages in lifespan of every football club. There are periods where you will win laurels, get promoted, qualify for continental competition, also face better side of the game. We were unlucky to be at the receiving end of the intrigue, as Rich Banson said. Do not be embarrassed by your followers. Learn from them and start again. For the past few months, we are in constant communication with the Ghana Football Association to assist in the pursuit to regain our footballing status. We therefore entreat our loyal supporters to be patient and optimistic about our comeback to competitiveness in 2024-2025. Let's just say, or say on a GFD didn't come say. By next season, GFA be restore bibia momo. Now I'm back to the Ghana Premier League. Richmond Lamptey and I no pay sorry on Kumasi Asante Kotoko media didn't come. Wabo Kumasi Asante Kotoko players, young guys na ba so no chiremu say at the Krontana Kotoko nya results ne e fear and na boys no especially young guys no. And I was confirming says he said was started gym work just like Enrich report to us or returning into a bit me who no breakum Chelsea game and as a crash of game no. And Osaka say football no person we now in the also maintain players ball mo boche and also commend Kotoko for the youth side say or wafano no mo nkoto players from elsewhere eye hona no matete omo no mo de omo wura main team num nti de Kotoko ye na ye na de ba ko kan ya amanfo ka ze masa wo si maintain players Kotoko na obo na de ntra wo so woko ono a na tu na num e ka say as a football club also mo bom ho che na mo tena che ansa na mo atimi abobo akomanim Africa ne ade na won so na ma chire say masa wan hwa afi obekọ eno de wentima ma direct answer in still na the future no unclear as to why so obetena na so obekọ but wa confirm say injury de wa return and there a full confirmation.